Alright, so here we are going to do the comparison between the arithmetic progression and also the geometric progression. First of all, for the arithmetic progression, you must have a common difference, which we can use T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. Next, AP we have the n-term. N-term is a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d. That means if let's say we have T8, that means it will be a plus 7d. If let's say we have T11, then it will be a plus 10d. Okay, for the Sn, sum of the first n-term, we have two formula, n over 2a plus l. This is used when we are given first term and the L is the last term. If you doesn't know what is the last term, then we are going to use the second one. Okay. Now, AP also have another one which we call common ratio. Common ratio we can use T2 over T1 or T3 over T2 or even T4 over T3. Alright, so this is a difference between AP and GP. Yeah? AP we have D or the GP we have R. Next, Tn. Tn is equal to the AR to the power of n minus 1. If let's say we have T12, that means AR to the power of 11. Okay. If we have T100, that means AR to power 99. Next, we have the Sn. Sn here we have two conditions. If R is greater than 1, then we are going to use the first one. If R is less than 1, then we are going to use the second one. And be careful, for this, the Tn, the whole n minus 1 is the power. But for here is you power the n first, then the whole term you minus 1. The minus 1 is not at the power. Okay, this is the difference between the formula between AP and GP. And GP have additional one which is S infinity, where AP we don't have, which is A over 1 minus R. This is only applicable when your R is in between -1 and 1. Okay, this condition is also used to apply to solve the questions involving the recurring recurring decimals. Now, there are some similarities of the concept between the AP and the GP. Okay, first, A is equal to T1 and also equal to the S1. So these three are the same, but you're using the different T and also S by using the respective formula. Alright, now, if we are only given Sn and you're required to find T3 plus T4 plus T5 until T10, then it is equivalent to S10 minus S2. Because T1 and T2 we doesn't want, so we deduct out. Now, if we are given Sn only and we want to find T8, so here also the same condition. Okay, now if we want to find the T8, that means we use T1 sum until T8. But the first 7 actually we don't want, so we deduct out as 7. So if let's say we want to find T9, then it will be S9 minus S8. Okay, alright. So hope this double bubble map will help you have a better understanding for the AP and the GP, and this will be the summary for the whole chapter. Thank you.